Hey everyone, it's Dr. Mike, and if you're watching this, you know the struggle is real. Headaches are the worst. But before you reach for another over-the-counter pill, did you know that most headaches can actually be managed naturally? That's right. For centuries, people have been turning to natural remedies to find relief, and guess what? They really work. Studies have shown that simple things like peppermint oil, ginger tea, and even staying hydrated can make a huge difference in reducing headache frequency and severity. And the best part? These natural approaches often provide longer-lasting relief without the unwanted side effects of medication. So, if you're tired of popping pills and ready to take a more holistic approach to headache relief, stick around. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 powerful, natural remedies that you can start using today to feel better and get back to living your life headache-free. Let's do this. Let's kick things off with a natural remedy that's as refreshing as it is effective: peppermint oil. This potent essential oil isn't just for freshening breath, it packs a serious punch when it comes to tackling tension headaches. Peppermint oil contains a compound called menthol, which has natural analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. When applied topically, menthol works its magic by creating a cooling sensation on the skin, which helps to relax those tight, throbbing muscles in your head and neck that are often the culprits behind tension headaches. And the best part? It works fast. Many people experience significant relief within just 15 minutes of applying peppermint oil. Now you might be wondering, how exactly do you use peppermint oil for headaches? It's super simple. Just add a few drops of pure peppermint essential oil to a carrier oil like coconut oil or jojoba oil. Gently massage this mixture into your temples, forehead, and the back of your neck. But remember, a little goes a long way. Start with a small amount and see how you feel. You can always add more if needed. Studies have shown that applying peppermint oil topically can be just as effective as taking over-the-counter pain relievers for tension headaches. So next time a tension headache strikes, ditch the pills and reach for the peppermint oil. Not only will you be treating your headache naturally, but you'll also enjoy the invigorating aroma of peppermint, which can further help to reduce stress and improve your mood. Alright, moving on to our next natural headache remedy, ginger tea. This spicy root has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, and for good reason. Ginger is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory compounds, particularly gingerols, which are known to effectively combat pain and inflammation throughout the body. When it comes to headaches, especially migraines, ginger works its magic by reducing inflammation in the blood vessels in the head, which is often a key trigger for those debilitating migraine attacks. And it's not just anecdotal evidence. Studies have shown that ginger can be just as effective as some conventional migraine medications in reducing migraine pain and duration. In fact, one study found that consuming ginger powder at the onset of a migraine attack reduced headache severity significantly within just 2 hours. That's pretty impressive for a natural remedy, right? Now, the best way to reap the headache-busting benefits of ginger is by brewing yourself a soothing cup of ginger tea. Simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger root or use ginger tea bags and steep it in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add a touch of honey or lemon for sweetness and flavor. Sipping on this warm, comforting beverage can work wonders in easing headache pain, reducing nausea, and promoting relaxation. And if you're prone to migraines, consider incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine as a preventative measure. Ginger is also known to aid digestion, boost immunity, and fight nausea. So next time a headache threatens to derail your day, ditch the pills and reach for a cup of ginger tea. Alright, let's talk about something so simple yet so often overlooked when it comes to headache relief: hydration. You heard that right. Plain old water can be your secret weapon in the fight against headaches. Even mild dehydration can trigger headaches or make existing ones feel a whole lot worse. When you're dehydrated, your brain actually shrinks slightly due to fluid loss. This shrinkage puts pressure on your blood vessels and nerves, leading to those throbbing, pounding sensations we know all too well as headaches. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much water do I really need to drink to prevent headaches? Well, the general recommendation is to aim for 8 glasses of water per day. But individual needs may vary depending on factors like your activity level, climate, and overall health. A good rule of thumb is to listen to your body and drink fluids throughout the day, especially if you're feeling thirsty, sweating, or experiencing headache symptoms. And here's a little tip. If your urine is pale yellow, you're likely well hydrated. If it's darker yellow, it's time to grab that water bottle. But it's not just about the quantity of fluids you consume. The type of fluids matters too. Sugary drinks and alcohol can actually dehydrate you further, so it's best to stick to water, herbal teas, or electrolyte-rich beverages, especially if you're prone to headaches. Now, I know sometimes plain water can get a little boring, so feel free to jazz it up by adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or even fresh herbs like mint or basil. This will not only enhance the flavor, but also provide additional health benefits. Remember, staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to prevent and manage headaches. Let's dive into a fascinating and ancient practice that can work wonders for headache relief: acupressure. Acupressure is a traditional Chinese medicine technique that involves applying pressure to specific points on the body, known as acupoints, to stimulate the body's natural healing abilities and restore balance. Now, you might be wondering, how does pressing on certain points on my body help my headache? According to traditional Chinese medicine, energy, or qi, flows through specific pathways in the body called meridians. When these pathways become blocked or imbalanced, it can lead to various ailments, including headaches. Acupressure works by stimulating these acupoints, which helps to release blockages, improve energy flow, and alleviate pain. And the best part, it's something you can do yourself at home. One of the most effective acupressure points for headache relief is called Li4, or Hegu, which is located between the base of your thumb and index finger. To stimulate this point, simply use your thumb and index finger of your opposite hand to apply firm, circular pressure to the area for a few minutes. You should feel a slight ache or tingling sensation. Another helpful point is GB20, or Feng Qi, which is located at the base of your skull, in the hollows on both sides of your spine. Applying gentle pressure to these points can help to relieve tension headaches, migraines, and even eye strain. So next time a headache strikes, give acupressure a try. It's a drug-free, non-invasive, and effective way to find relief and restore balance to your body. Let's move on to our final natural headache remedy, yoga. This ancient practice is more than just stretching and contorting your body. It's a holistic approach to health and well-being that can work wonders for both your mind and body, including providing relief from those pesky headaches. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques, all of which can help to reduce stress, improve circulation, release muscle tension, and promote relaxation. All key factors in preventing and managing headaches. Certain yoga poses in particular are known for their headache-relieving benefits. For example, downward-facing dog, child's pose, and bridge pose are all excellent for releasing tension in the neck, shoulders, and back. Common culprits behind tension headaches. Forward bends, such as standing forward bend and seated forward bend, can help to calm the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and alleviate headache pain. And if you're feeling brave, inversions like legs up the wall pose can help to improve blood flow to the head, reduce inflammation, and provide relief from sinus headaches. But it's not just about the physical postures. The deep breathing exercises practiced in yoga, known as pranayama, play a crucial role in headache relief as well. Deep, slow breaths help to calm the nervous system, reduce stress hormones, and increase oxygen flow to the brain, all of which can help to ease headache pain. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm not flexible enough for yoga, but trust me, yoga is for everyone, regardless of age, flexibility, or fitness level. So, if you're looking for a natural, holistic approach to headache relief, roll out that yoga mat and give it a try. You might be surprised at just how much this ancient practice can benefit both your mind and body. So, there you have it. 5 powerful natural remedies that you can start using today to find relief from headaches and get back to living your life to the fullest. Remember, while over-the-counter pain relievers can provide temporary relief, they're not always the best long-term solution and can come with unwanted side effects. By incorporating these natural remedies into your routine, you're not only addressing the symptoms but also tackling the root causes of your headaches, promoting overall health and well-being. As always, if you're experiencing persistent or severe headaches, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Stay healthy, stay informed, and keep those headaches at bay.